Say goodbye to stubborn pests naturally. Today we are unboxing the ultimate Herby Natural Repellent Kit. Let's see everything that comes inside this complete protection package. First, you get 2 large bottles of our specially formulated diluent base along with the powerful natural rat repellent concentrate and a dedicated spray can. You also get 2 precise measurement cups to ensure the perfect mix every time, plus a handy funnel and a step-by-step user manual for easy preparation. Start by grabbing your Herby concentrate bottle. Measure out 1 part of the concentrate using the small cup. Measure out 20 parts of the dilutant to match your mixture ratio. Place the funnel onto your spray can and pour in the measured dilutant base first. Follow it up by adding the powerful natural concentrate. Remove the funnel, screw the spray trigger on securely. Give it a good shake and your non-toxic, highly effective repellent is ready. Perfect for kitchens and food prep areas, offices and workspace wiring corners, large storage spaces and warehouses, and even auto garages to protect your vehicles. Safe, herbal and effective protection by Herby.